In the era of globalization, English is a medium to connect the whole wide world together. So, people of modern generation have turned their interest to studying English language. Hence, the program of Bachelor of Arts in English at the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences, Khon-Kaen University, is the choice for those who would like to broaden English skills. The Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences was officially founded in 1978 until 2006. That the faculty was restructured. The program of Bachelor of Arts in English was independent from the Department of Foreign Languages. Since being a part of Foreign Languages Department until now, the program has always produced qualified graduates to serve the society. The success of the program could never be achieved without support and contributions from the staff. The program comprises many professional experts with creditable teaching experience, Thais and foreigners. There are regular and special programs available. Students will complete 131 credits. And for a satisfactory learning environment, experts and facilities are available for students best in class and self-study. Self-Access Center, or SAC, provides material to support learning autonomy. Students spend free time learning by themselves with reading materials, videos, CDs, and computers. In addition to the aforementioned, the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences is furnished with pleasant environment for students' attentive learning and relaxing leisure. Besides education, the program encourages students to make use of free time participating in activities. For example, Charity Day, that students raise funds through performing arts, sell booths, and games, then donate to outreach schools. The annual English camp is aimed for fourth-year students whose graduation is coming. The camp enhances intimate bonds between friends and between students and teachers. This is also the beginning of the alumni connection. The English Place is a chance for English majors to show their English ability. At the same time, students learn about social skills to achieve the goal and a successful teamwork. program also organized a field trip to famous and successful organizations where skills of English are required. So our students are inspired and gain experience before applying for a job after their graduation. These activities and many more are to enhance experience of team working and sharing, and to prepare them before joining the society after graduation. With quality of teaching methodology and equipment, staff, facilities, and activities, the program of Bachelor of Arts in English has always been trusted. Since the very first day, we are always proud of our graduates who have served the society with English skill and abilities. If English is your future, let us be a part.